Part 2 here is 4x squared minus 25. So we have to factorise this. And as I look at this here, we've got two parts. So the possibility of a highest common factor. But that's quickly eradicated or dispelled because 4 and 25, the only thing that's in common between the two of those is the number 1. If I take 1 out, it's still not going to change this in any way. So no good to us. And what about any letters? No, we've no letters in common. Now, we run through the rest of our tests just to make sure. Have we got 4 parts? No, we don't. So it's not highest common factor. It's not difference of 2 squares. Has it got 3 parts, like a quadratic trinomial up here? No, it's not. So the only one that's left for us is the difference of 2 squares. And what you've got to do in a fella like this for the difference of 2 squares is you say to yourself, okay, what is the square root of 4x squared? So the square root of 4x squared, square root of 4 is 2, and square root of x squared is x. You just put that into a bracket, 2x to be squared. And the square root of 25 is 5. So you have it all set up now. Now you've got the difference of 2 squares. Because 5 squared is 25, and 2x squared is 4x squared. Now that you've got that done, you label the part that's inside the first bracket as F for first. You label the bit that's inside the last bracket as L for last. And you've got this little formula you need to remember. First minus last, first plus last. So first is 2x, first minus the last is 5, and first is 2x plus the last is 5. And that's it for number 2, which is the difference of 2 squares.